Well, I just posted a video on installing this heater pool pump system into an above ground impact pool, but what I forgot to show was my misting system. I got soft water going to the pool and regular water, but when I turn this valve on a really hot day, you don't just get the deck cooled off, you get the pool cooled off when you're floating in it above the water. You see how they're embedded in the deck there, sort of hidden. But I got them going all around the pool. Sort of hard to see mist in a camera. Well, anyway. Nice little setup.